Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to export all of your emails from Outlook in 2026. Now this process creates one backup file that you can move, save or import to another device. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now first of all, you need to open your Outlook desktop application on your computer. Now once you are inside your Outlook account, simply click on the option of File here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now from the menu, simply select the option of Open and Export. Now you need to understand that if you are using Outlook in your web browser and when you click on the option of File, you won't see this export or import option. That's why I've told you earlier that you need to have the Outlook desktop application installed. Now once you see this Open and Export option, simply click on it. Then here in the Outlook data files, click on the option of Export. Now once you click on the option of export, it is going to ask you to add the subscription account in order to basically export your files from here. So in order to add the subscription, click on it, then click on the option of add subscription. Over here you just have to provide your email address, and then on the next page simply subscribe to it, because without it you won't be able to export your files. Now once you have the subscription available, simply just click on the option of export, then hover over to the right hand side and click on the option of get started. Now after clicking on the get started, you need to choose the Outlook data file and then continue. Now select the email account at the top of the folder list. You need to turn on the subfolders so that every folder like your inbox, sent items, archives, custom folders will be exported together. Then when you click on the option of next, you can choose where you want to save that .pst file. You need to pick a simple location like your desktop or the document folder so that you can find it later. So you need to wait for some time until this export is completed. Once it finishes successfully, you will get the exported file in your selected folder or place. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.